May I now request Justice Qazi Faiz Issa Saab to inform us about his thoughts.
Thank you very much. I had informed you of my thoughts by a note dated 25th July 2022, and I would request that note be made part of the minutes. Another thing which I want to add is that some novelty, new method of doing things has evolved, and I have zero confidence in the minutes that are recorded. Previously, minutes which were recorded were then sent, were put up in the next meeting or circulated for confirmation. This has arbitrarily been put a stop to, which I have raised in writing a number of times, that the minutes were wrongly recorded, and give me the recording of them which will confirm this. This was withheld from me. The senior most judge of the Supreme Court, a member of the Judicial Commission of Pakistan. So the accuracy of recording of minutes, why this suppression of the truth? I would go one step further. Why are we keeping the public out? Article 19A of the Constitution has been enacted. It gives right of information to everyone. Why proceed behind closed doors? My experience has been, whenever you proceed behind closed doors, it is because one does not want uncomfortable truths to emerge and to suppress them. So I would request that the minutes, it be resumed the procedure before the minutes were sent for confirmation, and not at the end of the day 7 people, 9 people, 13 people decide something, and one gentleman who I have the highest respect for may not have paid close attention or may have misunderstood something and record something, and that becomes the minutes of the meeting. Sir, this practice is not prevalent in limited companies, in any other meeting procedure, and was always the practice of this court. Let us not jettison the good things that we used to abide by. Please do not arbitrarily send a note that this is the minutes of the meeting. So I would request, my eyes were opened by the data provided by Sardar Saab. Now, if we had all been involved in this process from the inception, it wouldn't have come to this. To expose, I'm sure the Chief Justice was misled. To expose, will any heads roll? If Sardar Saab did not take it upon himself to analyze, we took it as the gospel truth. But I don't know if I can speak for everyone, I for one want to acknowledge him. I had written for postponement, my request was not conceded to. Sir, I know the Chief Justice is a very busy man, and so it must have slipped his mind to politely respond to me, which he did not do. But I'm so grateful that he's giving me an opportunity not to holiday too much and give him my 2 bits in this meeting. I have already expressed my views on a number of issues which have not been responded to. And now, since a number of very honorable members, and undoubtedly the chairman too, will express their views, I will request that I speak last, also because, for the added reason that there are 2,500 or so documents that I have never received. So I will be enlightened, and I would like to express my views at the end. Thank you very much.
I think Justice Qazi Faiz Issa Saab, you should make your statement now, because I will be doing the concluding remarks.
Sir, with the greatest of respect, I have not come here to make a statement. I have come here to learn from you, from Sarmad Saab, from Shah Saab, from the Law Minister, from the Attorney General. I have come to learn. I may change my view after learning. I've expressed my views. If you had responded to some of my views, I would have certainly expressed my views. I would like to now, I mean, I don't think you can force me to speak when you choose to. I'm deferring to hear from them. Maybe I get persuaded, maybe I agree with you, and I say, wonderful, let's do what you're saying. So why are you depriving me of this opportunity? All I'm saying is I want to hear you all and express your views. And I've expressed good reason that I don't have the benefit of the 2,500 documents that you have prepared, put together, and all the other members have. So is it unfair?
Okay, then you can speak before I speak, so that I can conclude the matter then.
I would actually like to hear you also respond to some of the very serious points raised by Sardar Saab. And if you can put them to rest, it will change my opinion. So, sir, your golden words are eagerly awaited, sir. Thank you.